Enhance your outdoor spaces with top-notch outdoor lighting company Flower Mound. Flower Mound. Outdoor lighting expert team specializes in garden illumination and pathway lights, ensuring your property shines beautifully at night. Whether you're looking for patio lighting or deck lighting, our LED outdoor lights offer energy-efficient solutions tailored to your needs. Transform your backyard with custom outdoor lighting designs in Flower Mound. Our services include accent lighting and poolside lighting, perfect for creating a serene ambiance. Tree uplighting and spotlights add dramatic effects, while wall wash lighting highlights architectural features. Step lights and driveway lighting ensure safety and style. Discover the benefits of solar outdoor lights and motion sensor lights in Flower Mound. These energy-efficient lighting options provide security and convenience, reducing energy costs while enhancing your home's safety. Our low-voltage lighting solutions are ideal for residential outdoor lighting, offering both functionality and aesthetics. Choose from a wide range of outdoor light fixtures and decorative outdoor lights in Flower Mound. Our selection includes everything from traditional to modern styles, ensuring a perfect match for your home's exterior. Whether you need security lighting or accent lighting, our team provides expert outdoor lighting installation services. For commercial outdoor lighting in Flower Mound, trust our experienced professionals. We design and install lighting systems that enhance visibility and security for businesses. From pathway lights to wall wash lighting, our solutions are tailored to meet the unique needs of commercial properties. Experience the beauty of garden lighting in Flower Mound with our comprehensive outdoor lighting services. Our team is dedicated to creating stunning outdoor environments with custom lighting designs. Whether you're interested in patio lighting or tree uplighting, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Upgrade your outdoor spaces with energy-efficient lighting solutions in Flower Mound. Our LED outdoor lights and solar options provide long-lasting illumination while reducing energy consumption. With our outdoor lighting design services, you can enjoy a beautifully lit landscape that enhances your home's curb appeal. Outdoor lighting company Flower Mound for residential outdoor lighting in Flower Mound. We offer a variety of options, including pathway lights, deck lighting, and poolside lighting to create a welcoming atmosphere. Our motion sensor lights and security lighting ensure peace of mind, while our decorative outdoor lights add a touch of elegance. Explore the possibilities of custom outdoor lighting in Flower Mound. Outdoor lighting company Flower Mound closely with you to design a lighting plan that complements your home's architecture and landscape. From step lights to driveway lighting, we provide solutions that enhance both safety and beauty.